Hi guys, things have changed. I have reinstalled the app on my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G for the Wi-Fi connection to this microscope. So we're going to see if we can see anything in the jar, the life in a jar. I don't expect to see anything because I haven't seen any movement in there for weeks, if not months. But last time I wanted to do this, we couldn't get the app to work on the phone. So I've done all sorts of other things. I've ended up getting my daughter's old laptop and sorting it out so I could connect the Wi-Fi microscope to it via USB. And then today I just reinstalled the app, as I say, on this phone, and it works. So we're going to do some Wi-Fi USB recording. The only problem is you get no audio with it. So I might have to do a voiceover or something, or just put music on it. We will just see what we can see. Well, that's a surprise. We have got movement. It's tiny, and I can't focus clearly on it, but there is definitely movement in there. This session actually went on for about half an hour, so I've significantly hacked it about to just try and get the bits where you can actually see some movement. The main problem is we are so magnified is the word I'm looking for, that the slightest touch on the microscope makes the screen jump around. And the problem I had was resisting trying to follow the movement. So when I saw a little bug appear in the corner, I kept moving the microscope to try and follow it. And at this scale of magnification, I just have to touch the microscope and it bounces around. So I've edited this right down to just the bits where the screen is fairly still and we can see some movement. I don't think I'll get any better focus than this, because the glass jar I'm using is just the jar the coffee came in. So it's not nice, smooth sides. They're not a suitable surface for looking through at this level of detail. In fact, a lot of the video is taken up with the microscope focusing on the tiny imperfections on the glass. So all of that I've edited out. And I hope I've edited out all the bouncing around, so this should be fairly stable. And if you look hard enough, you will see things moving. Now, the camera recorded in portrait mode, and I've turned it 90 degrees to landscape mode. That does mean that up and down is actually left and right. And in some of the video, you might see stuff generally moving from the left of the screen to the right, or right of the screen to the left. That's just particles dropping down through the water, probably because I've touched the jar and that's loosened some of the stuff on the surface. I think I've managed to edit that out as well, but there may be a few little bits you might notice in the background. So the movement I've focused on is stuff that is definitely not just going from left to right or right to left. It's stuff where you can clearly see it's alive and it is moving. So that's it. I'm not quite sure how much time I've got left to fill by waffling. So I'll stop here, and I might even put a bit of music on it or something, just to fill in the last few minutes. Something I missed out in that voiceover is there is also a dot in the middle of the screen. I think either there's a bit of dust on the microscope lens, which must be tiny, or it's a dead pixel on the sensor. Either way, there is a little black dot right in the middle of the screen. And you'll see it doesn't move, so it's on the camera somewhere. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.